Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. Today I'm just going to discuss about a Revit topic, that is how to give a wall shape to the walls. Okay, wall shape and wall opening I'm going to take here. So now see here. Now for that one, what I'll do, I'll take a wall here. If I'll take this architecture wall from this, now I can give the height of the wall. If I give height of the wall here, now I'll make one wall here, some particular wall I make. After make the wall here, then you can go to 3D option. If I'll click on 3D option, you can keep in realistic also. And see here, you can select the wall. Now if you want to give any shape of the wall here, you can select the wall. After selecting the wall, you can make this edit profile. Once if I'll click on edit profile, now the wall will get edited here. So where you want to give the shape, that shape you can create, or else you can keep in the elevation. In particular elevation, you can select the shape, which shape you want to give. I'll take an arc shape here. Now say suppose I'm just giving an arc here. So after giving the shape here, now see if I'll finish, now it won't take. Why? Because it is showing this lines cannot be intersect each other. Then you can continue this lines are intersecting each other. That's why I'll delete this upper line for that. After that one you can finish here. Once if I'll finish here, now see how the shape I have created, like that only it will shows in that. So now second here it is that is wall opening. If you want to give a wall opening, same thing, you can select the wall, keep in the elevation, click edit profile. Now you can take a shape, which shape you wanted to take the wall, you can select the shape here. Now I'm going to create one shape here. Now see, I'm just going to take an arc also here. After that one, same incline shape, if you wanted there in opposite direction also, you can take draw axis mirror and you can draw by using this. Once if I draw here, now you can take a line and you can make a joint for this one. Once if I join here, now see after creating the shape you can finish here. Once if I finish the what shape we have created, now the profile will come appear in the form only. Okay, so like that you can create a wall opening and wall shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you understood. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.